Alright guys, we're gonna check out this Arnold episode. This one is called Haunted Train. Leave a like on the video guys, subscribe in order to push the video, help me out, help the channel. No respect. Wait, is this gonna be the episode where the train stops in the freaking cellar or the tunnel and then you gotta meet some group of people, I think? I don't know. I watched a train episode before, but I don't know if it's this episode.
Bored, Grandpa.
Bored? Have I ever told you boys about the time I worked for the railroad? And first heard the legend of the haunted train.
Huh? No.
40 years ago.
Is he lying?
old engine 25
This guy loves to tell freaking stories, man. I don't know if he's lying or what.
When the engineer went mad and drove his train off the tracks. They never saw him or the train again. Some say he drove it straight to, you know,
Midtown? Downtown?
all the way downtown to the very most southern point.
You mean?
To hell?
Right.
Wow. He drove all the way to the South Pole?
No, he drove the train straight down to the
Yo,
very
Gerald's
north.
like, bro, he went to the South Pole.
Every year on the anniversary of its last ride, Engine 25 comes back. The mad engineer at the throttle. He's on his way to the old train station to pick up unknowing
Wait a minute.
passengers.
This I don't know. I don't know. This kind of seems kind of different than the episode that I'm talking about, guys. I don't know if it's the same episode or
It hypnotizes
could be.
them. Then a strong smell
Could be. I don't know.
overpowers them. Some say it smells like rotten eggs, but I'll tell you what it is. It's the smell of
Socks?
no fire and brimstone. Then they start to hear a horrible, ear-splitting music. It shrieks and moans and sends a chill through your heart. It's not of this world. It's inhuman.
That's a very good story. You know what I like too about this cartoon? There's a lot of kids in it. So Arnold have a lot of friends to play with.
They can feel the heat from the flames. Then the train comes to a complete stop. The doors open, and they are greeted by the red-hot demon himself. You know what tonight is, don't you? It's the 40th anniversary.
Of course. Grandpa's lying, man.
To be at the old train station tonight.
They should probably tell him the story just to pique their interest.
Past Livingston, you know, next to the tire shop there.
You know, next to the tire stop over there.
Well, so much for being bored.
Dude, look at the curtain. The curtain even got a tear on it. I like the little details that they put in the show. It's kind of look run down. Give it a more realistic feeling. The curtain got a tear on it. 2 tears on both curtains.
Visible energy fake station. Huh? 1 hour after the streetlights come on.
So they have to sneak out. Dude, this place look creepy as hell. Could you imagine being a 9-year-old sneaking out of your house, going to hearing this haunted story? Because let's be real, guys, kids like to believe this stuff. So you believe in this, man, and like, it was really creepy as hell. I'm just putting myself in their shoes as a 9-year-old kid.
That's so
It would probably be very creepy to be here, even if you act tough.
They say he lost his mind when crazy on that day.
I have to say this though, guys. I like how some of these episodes are very consistent in certain ways. The last episode I watched was called The List, in which in the ending Arnold was playing his that I don't remember what the thing is, saxophone, xylophone. He was playing it with his grandma at the end of the episode. I know in this episode you got to see him use it again. Very interesting. I like those kind of details that most people would really think about.
Where's the engineer? Been waiting all night long. Better show up soon. Or I'm gonna have to say so long. Been waiting on the haunted train.
That's it! I'm out of here. This is ridiculous. There is no haunted train. There is no.
I can
mad
hear
engineer,
Elga's
and
voice
you two
echo in the
people are
background.
driving me nuts.
So nice. Here comes the train. Wait, did I say chain? Train, guys. Train. Damn, engine 25. But is this story actually real? I don't know, man. Okay, the bright light.
White light. It pulled us on.
Dude,
Where's it fit? Ew, what's that smell?
She who smelt it dealt it.
It's not that smell, stupid.
I was right. It's more like
rotten eggs.
Rotten eggs!
The
It's
second sign.
eggs! It's one of the signs!
That's the second sign, I think.
do you hear what I hear?
And I think the fourth sign is the fire, right? When they look through the window, they're gonna see the fire. I attack them.
I'm gonna die! I do believe in mad engineers! I do believe in haunted trains! I do! Oh, why must I be cursed with such an inquisitive nature?
Hey, the light!
Oh no, this is the third sign.
Out of darkness. Next stop is, you know.
You pointing down.
Okay, guys, I think I made a mistake. I don't think this is the episode that I'm talking about. Because there's supposed to be more people in this episode, so it's not the episode I'm talking about. Dude, Brainy.
What are you doing here?
I don't know.
Dude, how did he get on the train? Guys, think about what they just did. Gerald actually opened the train door and they tossed its ass out. That's kind of violent, man. That's kind of crazy. Could you imagine someone throwing your ass out of a train, moving train into a pond? And Gerald assisted. Arnold didn't even say anything. They just let Elka did it or do it. Dude, that's very interesting. Very interesting. Look, Arnold didn't even say anything. And why didn't they jump out themselves? They're that scared. Why didn't they jump out of the train themselves?
Wait, I've got an idea.
You know what? They actually did Brainy a favor because if the train was actually haunted or whatever, they actually saved Brainy. Oh my god.
Hey! What did you do that for? What are you kids doing here?
It's not
Nobody's
haunted.
allowed on this train except the steel mill workers.
Steel mill? We're at the steel mill?
Grandpa lied, man. Well, of course he lied, but I was kind of hoping it a bit that's
No, that's a story
some
again. This
supernatural
train is for
situation.
elite workers.
What about the smell?
Girlie, have you ever smelled a steel mill? It's the sulfur. Smells like rotten eggs, don't it?
And the lights.
Lights. The lights in this car are always going on and off.
The music. I've never heard anything so horrible. It was like torture.
I thought my eardrums were going to explode.
Well, I suppose some people don't appreciate the poke of it.
Okay, this guy was the one who was playing the
Did I explain
music.
everything?
Yes.
Good. Now let's get you kids on the right train home.
Reason.
Were ya?
There is no haunted train.
Well, now I didn't say that.
Dude, Brainy is such a unique character, man. He's like,
Sometimes late at night,
honestly, guys, I don't know if this story is actually real. I don't know. Grandpa could be telling the truth, but they could be tricking us, the viewers. I don't know if it's real or no. But the story seemed very interesting, though.